In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create engaging video content using ChatGPT and CapCut in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and walk through the process from start to finish, ensuring you have everything you need to make your video stand out. To begin with, you'll want to open ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com, and if you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you are logged in, it's time to start a new chat. This is the space where you'll be generating the core of your video content, and it's super easy to get started. Next up, let's focus on generating your video script. Think about the topic you want to cover. Let's say you're interested in creating a 45-second YouTube short about 5 ChatGPT hacks for students. You'll want to make sure it's engaging and accessible for beginners. And don't forget to wrap it up with a strong call to action to keep your viewers hooked. You can ask ChatGPT to help you craft this script, and with its advanced language capabilities, you'll have a polished script in no time. Now that you have your script, it's time to create captions and voiceover text. Start by transforming your script into on-screen captions. Remember to keep each line of text short, no more than 8 words per line, because this will ensure it fits seamlessly into a vertical video format. Additionally, have ChatGPT create a clean narration text that you can later use with text-to-speech tools for a professional-sounding voiceover. Moving on, let's plan the visuals you'll need for CapCut. For each line of your script, consider suggesting stock videos or images. It's important to keep these suggestions simple so that you can easily find free footage inside CapCut or even use Canva if needed. Make a list of these visual ideas scene by scene to have a clear plan of what you'll need when you start editing. With everything planned out, it's time to open CapCut and import your script. Begin by clicking on Create New Project to start putting your video together. Here, you can add the stock videos, images, or even your own clips if you have them. For captions, you have the option to use the text. Auto captions feature in CapCut, or you can simply paste the captions that ChatGPT helped you create. If you prefer to have narration, use the text-to-speech feature and paste in the script from ChatGPT. This brings your video to life with professional-grade audio. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a stunning video using ChatGPT and CapCut. With this process, you're well on your way to producing content that not only captures attention, but also effectively communicates your message. Good luck and happy video making!